Hi, I'm Serena, educator at Keswick, Wise and Well Center for Healthy Living in Baltimore. And today we're gonna make a snack. This is one of my favorites just because it's so quick and easy and pretty much everybody loves it. So it's just a no-bake, 3 ingredient, kind of granola-ish bar, I guess would be the best way to put it. So really for this, all you need is 3 cups of rolled oats, a cup of your favorite peanut butter. It can be, Peter Pan. It can be all natural. You can crush those peanuts yourself, whatever you like. That's the fun of this. And then half of a cup of honey. Same thing, can be pure, it can be raw, whatever you like. The fun part of this is that you can throw in like dark chocolate chips, you can throw in dried fruit, you can throw in other types of nuts, you can switch it out for any other kind of nut butter that you like. Just crazy easy. Once we mix all this together, throw it in the refrigerator for an hour or two just to let it harden up. You can cut these up. You can freeze these however you want to, but it's super, super easy. Now, I have an 8x8 pan. The recipe calls actually for a 9x9, so ours are going to be a little bit thicker than if you were following the direct recipe, but we don't own a 9x9 pan, so we're going with what we got. All right, so first things first, we're going to melt down our peanut butter and our honey. So I've just got a big glass measuring cup here. I'm just trying to keep it to as few ingredients or a few dishes that I have to do afterwards here. All right, so we got some honey. And I foil lined my baking sheet, mainly just so it makes cleanup easier, and then I can pretty much just fold that foil up and around my bars when I want to store them for later. So first you're going to take your peanut butter and your honey, and you're going to melt this down a little bit. Not fully liquefied, but soft enough that you can stir this in really easy. And you can do that in the microwave or on the stovetop. I'm choosing the microwave because I'm trying to make this quick and easy. It's yummy too, and I love anything with peanut butter and honey. So I'm going to toss this in the microwave for a moment, and then we're going to mix all of our oats together. So I use the melt setting on my microwave for 2 minutes, and you can see it's now ooey and gooey. So I'm actually going to take my rolled oats, 3 cups here, and I'm going to start pouring it in and stirring it up. All right, once you've got it mixed up mostly, you're just gonna take that and pour it into your foil lined, I've used some olive oil cooking spray on my foil so that, it doesn't stick together too bad. As I said, you can doctor this up and add all kinds of yummy goody things to it. Now I'm gonna just press it down into my pan. Alright, so from here, it goes into the fridge for an hour or 2. Cut it up, start enjoying your yummy 3 ingredient no-bake bars. Great snack, great thing to get the kids and the fam involved with. Add nuts, dark chocolate chips, dried fruit. Really, the sky's the limit in what you can do and substitute here. But super quick snack, super yummy. I can't wait till this afternoon. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.